Hello, my name is Lawrence Sowell, co-founder and CEO of Leafit Inc. What I'd like to do is take a few minutes to tell you about myself and tell you about the product that we're developing in the future that we see in social networking. Being a social networker and a social media marketer for the last 7 years, Leafit has kind of came to fruition through problems that I've seen. So many people spending so much time using social media. If you think about Facebook or other social networks out there that monetize on top of their users, we're doing the opposite. We're telling users, come to us, use our product, and you can monetize your own content, your own data, and make money with us. In a short version of what we're doing is we're letting people make money by posting pictures on a social network that then shares those pictures with us other social networks. So what our product does is it does 4 very special things. Number 1, it allows you to share pictures. When you share those pictures, you can snap a picture live, you can use one from your camera roll, or you can simply find a picture on the internet. When you post that picture, you'll be asked to tag a product or service in that picture. When you tag a product, let's use a purse in this example. When you tag a purse from a picture, we automatically search over 18,000 retailers that we're connected to on the back end. When we search those 18,000 retailers, we find the guaranteed lowest price for that purse on that product for you. That tag is now connected to your picture. When your friend Christy views that picture and says, "Oh, I love that purse," she'll be able to actually buy the purse from that picture. But something really special happens here. She just doesn't get a great deal on that purse. But you, the person that posted that picture, you make a commission when she purchases that purse. So we're allowing users to share pictures like they do every day on all the other social networks. The difference here is when they post a picture and somebody wants to buy something, a product or service related to that picture, the poster of that picture makes a commission. Another reason that you would want to use this social network is because when viewing the newsfeed in this social network, you're not just getting the pictures posted by the people that you're connected with on this social network, but you're also getting to see pictures from Facebook, Twitter, or whatever associated social networks you're connected to. You're also getting those pictures in this social network and those stories. So you're able to get everything in one place. Also, when you post stuff on this social network, it also shares those posts to all your connected social networks. Another feature that's very popular about this product is people aren't just going to use this product for social networking. People are going to use this for price checking or for getting good deals. You could be in Hawaii and just take a picture of the beach and then search for Hawaiian vacations and simply share that or purchase that Hawaiian vacation from that picture. You can take a picture of a pair of shoes and connect that brand. So there's so many different aspects this product's going to be used. And what this product is doing, more importantly, is it's bridging the gap between social media and e-commerce and putting them into one place. Something that's really special this product also does is called wish list. When viewing your newsfeed and you like items, you'll be able to wish list those items. Now let's say that it's Christy's birthday and I go to her profile. I can look at her wish list. I can buy something from her wish list for her birthday. I know she loves it because it's in her wish list. Over 350 million pictures are added every day on other social networks. Imagine when all those pictures are being added on Leafit and people are able to monetize and gain from that content. The Leafit mission statement is really simple. At Leafit, our mission is to allow our users to financially benefit through the content they share. So with that said, the future vision of this product and other products that Leafit will create will be exactly to do just that. Thank you so much for taking the time today to learn more about Leafit Inc. From myself and everyone else at Leafit, we look forward to growing into the future with each and every one of you.